So this is our Regus office tour. We're gonna share with you how we redesigned the Regus office. But more importantly, this Cerritos Regus office, we chose it because of the location. It's 3 minutes from our main campus, and the location is absolutely phenomenal because there's great breakfast, great lunch, great dinner. There's a Trader Joe's here, Best Buy, and a Pet Smart for all the pet lovers. There's so many things we love about this place. Let's get to it. We have 3 offices here at Regus, and this is the first one that we got during COVID. One of the first things we decided was to not use the lights from Regus because it felt too corporate. It was worth it to put different lights in different places because it just made the space feel so much more like a coffee shop. The second thing we did was to use the standing desk because it's just so nice after lunch to be able to stand in the afternoon to work. The third thing is trying to utilize as much storage space as possible because it's such a small space. This cabinet over here serves as a file cabinet inside to store all sorts of things, including snacks. But on the outside, utilizing the magnets, we're able to put different things on the outside as well as storage for different things. And of course, the fridge. Having a dedicated fridge, including all the tea, water, and spice, it feels so personable. It feels like your own home. Okay, now let's go to the next office. And this is my new office. Welcome. So this is my home office away from home. So here's my station with this gigantic monitor. It's actually super useful because you can spread out all your emails and all your documents all at once, and you can still see every single one and read every single one. It's awesome. I love it. I love being in nature and surrounded by plants, so having a lot of that in the office was really important as well. And since it's my home office, I want to bring something from home, the little pop figures that really resonate with me. And these are the books I'm trying to read through this year in this office. And here is the reading nook. It's a very special space for me. I spend a lot of time reading, thinking, replying to different things, so I'm sitting on this chair all the time. And also this photograph of horses is really dear to me. There's a Chinese proverb that says 马到成功. It means once the horses arrive, you have succeeded. So with the horses, the reading nook, my tea, my snacks, thinking about the future, journaling, planning, it's a really good space to create good energy. So we got a dedicated room just for the interns. So this is the 3rd office that we just got. And it turns out everyone here is from Biola.
Biola, if you see this.